Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll proceed further to understand how you need to set up the customer showcase under configuration section. So you need to walk through configuration tab and just click on the customer showcase and it will take you to this customer showcase slider page. So over here you can add your customers to just showcase on the front end on your store. Like if I go to this demo site and if you just scroll down, you will find the customers like your clients getting listed down here with their name and the images around. So this is the specific section of the default template for the front end in which the clients and customers are getting listed. So in the same way, you can add your own customer over here. So like you can enter the customer name and the country and the order. Basically, like suppose if you have added 4 customers, so the order of this one will be, the register will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and accordingly. This is basically the positioning of that customer on the front end. Also, you can add the image. You need to make sure about the pixels accordingly, and also the description part. So in this way you can add it. So let's quickly proceed to add one customer and see how it's working. So as you can see, I have just entered the customer name, the logo, uploaded the image and all the details. Also defined the order as well. So I'll quickly go ahead and just save it. Okay, now you need to make sure that the order must be a positive integer, 1, 2 and all. So you need to move ahead in the increment order accordingly. So as I have updated the order as 1, just save it. So as you can see, the one of the customer has been added successfully and it will get listed on the front end once you will configure your complete site, and it will listed on that section in this, and so on. You can add your customers with all the details that will reflect. So this is all about the customer showcase under configuration section, and go through the next video tutorial to proceed further with the configuration of this WedgeCommerce front end. Thank you for watching and using WedgeCommerce.